Hey guys, it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to jump right into this video. This is a tutorial video on how I turn this 13x6 frontal wig into an headband wig. This is so easy to make. You don't need to have any skill, like any sewing skill or wig making skill, before you can get this done. Okay, it's so easy and super fast. This is the hair I use. This is a frontal wig I got sometime last year, but the cap was too small for me, so I couldn't wear it all this while. So I decided to turn it into an headband wig. Okay, this is the wig band I use. It's very adjustable. You guys can see it has a velcro at the back, so you can adjust it, to the size of your head. If you have a bigger or small head, this is very perfect for you, because with the velcro at the back you can adjust it. Okay, I also use this scissors and thread. I didn't have a black thread at home, guys, so I just managed this brown one I have. Okay, so I'm parting out the front of the wig so I can cut it out. If you've seen these hairband wigs, you will know the hair don't start from the front. Like if you've seen pictures of it or you've watched tutorial of people installing it, you can see that the hair doesn't start from the front of your hair. And also it usually has like hairband at the front before the hair will start, right? So that is what I'm doing here. I'm trying to cut out the front of my hair, then I'm going to go ahead and sew in the hairband to it. Guys, I didn't really measure it. Okay, I just eyeballed it and cut it. But when doing yours, please use the hairband you have to measure it. Okay, just place the hairband from where the hair started at the front. Okay, and then cut from where the hairband stops. Okay, that is how you should measure yours, so you don't end up cutting too much, because I feel like I cut a little bit too much. Okay, so when doing yours, use the hairband to measure the front of your hair so you can know where to cut from. Okay, after cutting the front of the wig, I went ahead to use these T-pins to hold the band right in front of the wig. Place it where I want to sew it. Okay, so after placing it in the right place, I used the pin to hold it down so it to make it easier for me when sewing it. Then I went ahead to use my needle and thread and start sewing. And guys, I wish I used the black thread, because if I'd used a black thread, you guys won't even notice the thread at all. Okay, and when sewing this together, you want to make sure that your needle is passing through the headband and the wig itself. You guys can see one of my fingers under the hairband. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that the needle is passing through the hairband and the wig. Okay, make sure you're checking this. You don't want to finish sewing and notice that in some places the needle didn't really pass through the wig, it only passed through the hairband. Okay, so to avoid this, make sure each time you put the needle, it's passing through the hairband and the wig. So guys, I'm finally done with the wig. Okay, I did my edges, so I'm going to go ahead and wear this wig cap now, just to hold my hair down. Okay, So guys, this wig has 2 combs. Okay, so I'm just going to try and push it into my hair by the sides, and I'm going to push it through the cap, like the wig cap. Okay. So guys, you can actually wear it like this, okay, with the black band only. I actually folded it this way, like I folded it into to cover the brown threads. Okay, so I can wear like this with just the black band if I want to wear it black like this, but I'm going to be using this hairband, okay, to cover that black one. And this hairband, I got it from the beauty store near my house, okay, but they have lots of it on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to where you can get this from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wear this now. Okay guys, so this is the wig. This is it. I'm done finally. This is what it looks like, and you guys can see how beautiful it looks. And it's so easy to make, like super easy to make, and you don't even have to like buy so many things to make it. It's just the black hairband. That is all you need to buy, because every other thing are probably things you have in your house. Okay, so this is all you need to buy: the black hairband inside and this one. That's all. So guys, if you have an old wig, maybe all these closure or frontal wigs that you no longer wear, okay, because maybe the net is no longer good, or the net is now very old and you don't wear them anymore, you can actually turn them into these band wigs. Okay, it looks so cute. It's very comfortable. I'm not even feeling the pins that I put into my hair. I'm not feeling them at all, just because the band is an extra hood, right? I think if someone tries to pull my hair, that is when I'm going to feel the pain. Okay, but for now, I'm not feeling the pain at all. I'm not having any headache. Like, it's very comfortable, okay, and very easy to make. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you going to try making your own band wig? And I'm actually going to go ahead and turn some of my other wigs into a band wig. Okay, I love this. Like, I'm so much in love with this. Okay, I love how comfortable it is. I love how versatile it is. Like, you can pack it at the back, and if you have the time, I can even put this in a ponytail if I want to. I just need pins to hold it down at the back a little bit, okay, and then cover it with the hairband. So yeah, you can put it in a ponytail, but I don't have the time right now. Okay, like, this is so cute guys. I didn't even expect it to turn out this beautiful, okay, when I start making it. Yeah, I love it, love it. Finally come to the end of the video. If you're still here watching and you're yet to join this amazing YouTube family, please hit the subscribe button down below and join now. Okay, thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, like this video, share with your friends, okay, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.